this year we've tried to be creative in the ways that we're celebrating Christmas.
We're still making Christmas cards, we're still making calendars for the children to take home. We've still got a lovely festive feel throughout the school.
We've got a Christmas jumper swap. The children bring in their old Christmas jumpers that don't fit them anymore, and we sell them on at a small cost to the children who want to come and buy a new Christmas jumper.
Houses around Raglan are decorating their windows in a festive way and displaying letters which are going to make a festive saying. We're all adapting and trying to continue the fun, really.
The children are creating products to enhance the well-being and sustainability within the local community to ensure that we can still engage with the village of Raglan.
Box Kutch!
This is the Box Kutch Medallion.
It's got loads of stuff for mental health.
All of the prizes have made one product.
They have created lavender bags and made soap, creative packs of Play-Doh for children to play with at home, hot chocolate coasters promoting well-being, and even Christmas decorations.
I like the paper, that's hard as well.
The lavender and the soap are my two favourite.
He's got a thing for lavender.
I love it.
This smells good. Lily, smell it. It smells like lavender.
We've had 104 orders for our box Kutches.
Encourage them to learn and think about what we might need to improve our mental health and our well-being at the moment.
It makes me happy. It makes me excited.
Nadolig Llawen!
Nadolig Llawen!
Nadolig Llawen!